So, Edo, I'll explain this charge thing to you. I'll try. So, I'll do some new page, I guess. मैं ये पहले करा बट वीडियो नहीं बन पाया वो. So suppose there's a charge q1 here and there's a test charge q2 here. They will assume that q2 is much smaller than q1, relatively much smaller, so that q2 can't apply force on q1, but q1 can apply force on q2. So it will apply flow force in a single straight line. This is important, that single straight line which is at a distance r. Now this force experienced by force applied by q1 on q2 will be written as k q1 q2 by r square. So this implies that f is directly proportional to r square. You have to remember this. Like for JEE, so they asked this only. I don't know about NEET. K is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, that is equals to 9 into 10 to the power 9. Now in this, how will they ask questions is like they'll give a triangle. I can't see the triangle though. So here they'll place three charges, q plus q, q, 2q, and here q. So they'll ask what is the force experienced by this particle. So what do you have to do? Like straight line, this force will be this charge into this charge, that is k into q by, suppose this distance is l square, and the next force would be this. Now for this force, F is equals to this charge into this charge, these two charges ka multiplication, k into 2q into q by l square. That, like, it is an equilateral triangle, so this is also l square. Now you might be wondering what would this is not the full answer, no? So f net ka formula is like under root f1 f2 plus f2 square plus 2 f1 f2 cos theta. This formula is like common, everyone knows this. So I have to just keep these values. These values I won't calculate. I'll see back. Where is that? Here. Fuck, I didn't write down. Okay, I'll do. 2 minute रुका, मैं सॉल्व करके आता. So after calculating, I calculated somewhere, I got like root 7 into k q square by l square का whole square. Now this will be, this root and root cancel हो जाता है, k q square by l square into root 7. Root 7 क्यों मैं बोले तो root will be cancelled only if it is 7 square, but it is only like k q square का whole square, not the whole thing. So root 7 आता है. The same question if I do for a square, all charges are q, then what would be the force on this? There will be three forces. Suppose this is L, one down, then here, and another force will be here. This force ka value is f1. Suppose it would be same k, see k, it is on this line, no? So q1 q2 into q2 by l square. Same goes for the f2 here, k q1 q2 q by l square. Now for this f3 force, you have to apply some mathematics, bro. You have to join this diagonally. Now this, you have to calculate this distance, not the L. So this distance, it is like equilateral triangle, sorry, right angle triangle. So L, this would be L root 2 now. Yes, L root 2. Yes, L root 2. This now L root 2 के लिए what do we have to do? K Q Q. So Q by, now what do we have to write here? Here to we wrote L square because this distance was L. This distance was L. But here we have to write distance between this charge and this charge. So it would be L root 2 ka whole square. That is KQQ by 2L square. I hope you can see that. Now we have to find F net. This is important. F net would be F3 plus F2 plus F1. What do we do here? We don't just add it. F3, all the forces should be on the single line. So we'll take the components. This angle, this is square, right? So here it will be 90 and it is perpendicular, sorry, bisecting this. So it is 45, it is 45. This charge का 45 एंगल पे component and this charge का this side पे 45 एंगल पे component. Sorry, my mom came, so I was like, this charge का component you have to take. F3 is exactly we have to write that only because F3 is on the line. F3 is correct, it is on the correct line. So F3 का K Q square, Q into Q is Q square, like 2 into 2 is 2 square, because 2 to the power m plus 1 is equals to 2 square. If you don't know this, I'll say this too. KQ square by L root 2 का whole square is L square into 2. Now plus these two का component would be same. This F1 and F2's component would be same, so it would be like क्या था 45 डिग्रीज पे भाई रुक 2 मिनट. कंपोनेंट निकालने के लिए F1 का वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट would be F1 cos theta and theta here is 45 degrees because this angle is 90 and bisecting 45. So F K Q square L square into cos 45 plus K Q square L square into sin 45. Why did I take sin? Like for F2 it would be sin and F1 it will be cos. That's the rule mathematics ka. K Q square L square 2 plus cos 45 and sin 45 have the same value, so we can take common K Q square L square into 1 by root 2 here KQ square L square 1 by 2 plus 2 times of root 2, because 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 is equals to 2 times of root 2. It comes like root 2 is common, so 1 plus 1, that is equals to 2 by root 2, and here root 2 cancel, so it comes like KQ square L square root 2 plus 1 by 2.